if you're having cabin wind noise on your Model 3 and Model Y, this is how you adjust your window to make sure that the noise ain't coming from the window. So you got these two bolts right here. There should be 13s, one here and one here. Once you take that off, you want to lock your latch so your window rolls up. Just a little quick tip, so that way you can reach your bolts. Now you can see they're accessible from the inside. Take your 13, go ahead and loosen those up real quick. And then once you do that, you should be able to slide your window back and forth just like I'm showing you right here. Really easy, something to look out for just in case.